Today we'll talk about is BlueStack safe to use or not. So BlueStack is basically an emulator which allows you to run mobile games on your PC. So it's basically like you're running your mobile phone on your PC, right? And it is a safe thing because BlueStack does not contain any virus unless you download it from a third-party website. So if you want to download BlueStack, make sure you download it from the correct website of BlueStack, the original official website, and you're not going to get any virus. So BlueStack is pretty safe to use, and if you want to play mobile games which is not available in PC, you can download BlueStack, open up, this is going to be your interface. You can open up Play Store and download the games and play games which is available for mobiles on your PC using your mouse and your keyboard. So that is basically what BlueStack is, and BlueStack is backed up by many famous companies, so it'll not take any of your data or any other private things. So hope you understand if BlueStack is safe to use or not. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for more future BlueStack related videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.